Right, this is how to open up a new upright Hoover. Get a pair of scissors, like so. Just slit down the edge on either side where the sellotape is. And down the middle, cut the middle open. Open the box. As you can see, it all comes in different compartments. Take out each piece. And lay them on the floor. Make sure you keep each piece of paper. Take your bits of cardboard. Now you get into the bigger pieces. Might need two of you to get things out of the wiring. And that's all the little pieces. Put your cardboard back in the box. And move the box out the way. Ready to assemble.